Hello, welcome to this checkmate into chess puzzle. You can see that black has the king, 5 pawns and a knight. White has the king, 2 knights, 2 rooks, the bishop and a queen, and also a couple of pawns. It's white's turn. Can you see the checkmate in 2? If you try to move the queen to b1 to get the checkmate in 2, the king can move to f3, and then move the queen to d3, but the king can escape. Then you can finally move the queen into f1 to get the checkmate in 3, but not 2. Another checkmate in 3 comes by moving the queen to e7. The king takes the pawn. You can then move to h7. King only has 1 escape square. And then you can move the knight in for the checkmate in 3, but not 2 again. If you move the queen to b5, black can advance their d pawn. You can then move the rook in to check the king, but it has an escape square, so it's not a checkmate in 2. Can move the queen in though to get a checkmate in 3. You take the knight with the rook, the pawn can take back, and then take the pawn with the rook. The king has to move because the pawn is pinned, and then you can move the queen in to get the checkmate in 3, but not 2. Okay, let's have a look at the solution to this one, so pause the video if you need more time. The way to get the checkmate in 2 for white is to move the bishop to a1. If black pushes the f-pawn, then you can move the queen to b1 to checkmate in 2. If black takes the pawn on f5, the queen can move into d5, taking the pawn to checkmate in 2. And if black moves the knight, the queen can again move to b1 to get the checkmate in 2. Okay, that's the end of this video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.